Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Automate.io for lead routing strategy, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type www.automate.io and press enter. Once the page loads, locate the login button in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you wish to stay logged in, check the Remember Me box. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Login button. If your details are correct, you will be taken to your Automate.io dashboard. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email sent to you. After logging in successfully, navigate to the Bot section on the left sidebar. Here, you can create a new bot or manage existing ones for your lead routing strategy. To create a new bot, click on the Create Bot button. Select the applications you want to connect for lead routing. Choose your trigger event from the first application. Next, select the action related to lead routing in the second application. Configure the necessary fields for the bot setup. Once you're satisfied with the configuration, click on Save. Your bot is now set up to automate your lead routing efficiently. Congratulations, you are now logged into Automate.io and ready to implement your lead routing strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.